You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
All right, folks, welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna attempt to rescue this 350Z front bumper. Attempt. Because, as you can tell, the car is lowered, so you got all these scrapes. But this chunk right here, this whole thing is out. And I'm gonna show y'all why in a minute. Up here, now, if you can already see how much Bondo is right here. Let me get a screwdriver. So, look right here. See how thick that Bondo is? All right. There's probably one layer of glass in here. Look at that. And then look how thick that is. But it gets worse. On the bottom, I really want to pull it back up. But look at that. That's how much Bondo is in this thing. But I'm gonna try to work my magic, see what I can do, and get it off to Carlos. Get it looking pretty again. So I'm gonna use this aluminum in two places, run it across to help keep this in place. Screw it in, and then I'll work on the inside, trying to get it pieced back together with fiberglass. Hey, for the Lord Fuse of the world. It says small body panels and spoiler sections, ground effect sections. So it should work, right? Anybody?
Oh, but I mean, I don't know if you're talking to the camera or what are you doing? So I'm like, I don't want to interrupt.
You think it will?
What does it say?
Bonds plastic and E-coated painted metals, small body panels and spoiler sections, ground effect sections, clips, and E-coated painted brackets. So if I put it in the cracks, put this on there, right?
Fucking judge.
And then run the fiberglass on the inside and get these all fixed, which should be good, in theory.
I didn't get any of that. What?
The cracks right here.
Yeah.
Use a load fuser, and on in the back in here. This strapped across, two sections.
I wouldn't do that first though, because you still have to go up.
Yeah, I gotta bring the bumper up.
Because then you gotta figure out your arch.
So I'm gonna cut these, drill holes here and here, and then once I flip it down, make sure the shit is straight. Then I fucking yeah. You gotta, because if you push up on here, I gotta get the center of it to go up like that. But I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, I already texted him and told him to.
I thought you said you knew.
Okay, so just drill a bunch of holes and we'll zip tie this bitch. He's like, yeah, you thought you wanted the drifter fixed. Let's just do that for you. And then I painted over to this side.
All right. All right, guys, so we did a lot of the work off camera. As you can see, the piece, so crack here, comes all the way around, over, and then crack in here. So what I went ahead and did was use our load fuser to clamp it in place and help out a little bit. I even put some over here. And like I said, the bond on this thing was real thick. What I'm gonna do now is hit it with a DA with some 40 grit, probably 80, clean all this up. All right. All these scratches. There's a little lip right here. I need to eat that down, get everything level. Once the low diffuser cures, which will probably be tomorrow because it's real cold as hell right now, all these pieces I need to get up in there and add fiberglass, clean up as much as possible. So that's where I'm at right now with this. Not too much more I can do right now. Just let this cure overnight, come back tomorrow and hit it again. All right. All right, guys, so the low diffuser did its thing. It's in there, solid. So I'm just going to DH sand and get ready to put some fiberglass in. It's downhill from there. I'm going to disassemble. Get the grill out and the lights. Since eventually we'll be sanding down the whole bumper. Anyway, apologize, turn my back to y'all. But yeah, side marker lights, grill, take it out, and get back to work. So I got 1, 2, 3 loose. Still got 1, 2, 3 that won't come out. So I'm gonna just leave it there for now. Finish sanding. That's not gonna affect the fiberglass in the Bondo, and we can figure that shit out later. All right, so cut a channel, pretty much where all the cracks are. Open it up. Man, that steak is good.
Hey yo, what the?
Oh, right. Ooh, yeah. So, made channels where the cracks are using an air belt sander. Pretty much now I'm just gonna cut strips of fiberglass cloth, mix it with resin. But first I'm gonna blur everything down, get all the dust off. First layer of resin, let it sit for like 2 or 3 minutes, get tacky. Start putting the fiberglass cloth on, get all this closed up. And then once that's done, flip it over and do the same thing to the back side. All right, guys, so here's the progress so far. Like I say, it's like 40, 48 degrees out here. This is not gonna cure anytime soon, so that's gonna be it for the day. All right, frayed edges right here will get cut off, get trimmed, so I can finish up this area and up under here. Can't reach it. I don't want to get my phone too close. But all these little scratches up here will get filled in. You know, light coat of Bondo. Same thing on the edge. That guy don't know what he's saying. He's always muttering stuff. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for today. I think I'm gonna go ahead and nope, not gonna end it here. I forgot to do. So this is the rear bumper, and as you can see, spot right there. The whole thing has been DA'd already. This side has already been fixed and primered, as you can see. So the rear bumper didn't really have that much damage. I'm gonna go ahead and call this the first part. And is he talking crap again? Damn. But hey, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. Probably have this done in 3 parts, just so I can make sure you keep getting content out to you guys. Yeah. So appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much. As always, don't forget there's merch. We got some new stuff coming up. It's gonna be funny. I'm sure y'all gonna enjoy it, and make sure y'all get that merch. All right. So without it, can't really do what I love doing. You guys love watching. All right. So I'm gonna end it here, and come back when we go to the backside. That'll be another video. All right. Y'all have a good one. Love y'all as always.